teach A-level sociology and also BTEC applied criminology. Criminology is a BTEC, so it's applied criminology you will be applying for. It's assessed through both controlled assessment and also externally set exams. We cover a range of things in criminology, all very interesting. If you're interested in how your society works and how in particular the criminal justice system works, and you're able to link that to what we see and perceive in the media, then criminology is definitely the subject for you. You'll be required to attend college 3 days a week for criminology. Each lesson will be an hour and a half long. On top of that, there is an expectation that you will do at least another hour on top of those lessons, and sometimes far more than that, in order to supplement your notes, read through the notes of what's happened in that particular lesson, and be ready to fire questions at me when you come back the next time. Criminology is a very good qualification, obviously, to go to university with. The BTEC is graded exactly the same as an A-level and have the same status and kudos, so it's A star to G, just the same as an A-level would be. So it's absolutely fine for UCAS, for all range of courses, whether you're going to social sciences, law would be an also appropriate course, or if you're intending to go to do primary teaching or anything else. It's an open-ended subject for all sorts of things later in life. You will be expected to have at least a level 4 in English and maths, and preferably level 5 in English, because it is a literary subject and there will be a certain amount of writing involved. If you're interested in applying for BTEC Criminology, then please go to our website where you'll find all the information you require in order to make that application.